Imagine this. What if the Earth could talk to you directly? Not with words, but with signs all around us. Because right now, our planet is hurting. It isn't angry, it's exhausted, overwhelmed by pollution, waste, and the constant demand for more. Climate change, deforestation, plastic pollution, these aren't just headlines, they're the warning signs, the messages written in melting ice, dry land, and rising temperatures. But here's the hopeful part. We can answer back. Small actions, when done by millions, create a powerful response. Planting a tree, using a cloth bag, turning off a light, riding a bike. These simple choices lead to cleaner air, healthier lives, and a safer future for everyone. It helps the Earth go from exhausted to thankful. So, if the Earth sent you a message today, would you listen? Because protecting the planet doesn't start with someone else. It starts with you.